Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from chromedriver.chrome, link in the description below. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, and it is widely used for testing web applications. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of creating a simple Selenium test case using Python. We'll walk through setting up a Selenium environment, writing a basic test script, and executing the test. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed. Python, you can download and install Python from python.org. Selenium WebDriver, you can install it using the following command. A web browser, Selenium supports various browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. For this tutorial, we'll use Chrome. You will also need the corresponding WebDriver executable, which you can download from the chromedriver website. Let's create a simple Selenium test case that opens a website, interacts with an element, and asserts the expected result. This example demonstrates the basic structure of a Selenium test script. It opens a website, interacts with an element, search box, performs an action, search, waits for a moment, and then asserts the expected result. Save the script with a .py extension, example selenium_test.py, and execute it using the following command. Ensure that the chromedriver executable is in your system's path or provide the correct path when creating the webdriver.chrome instance. Congratulations! You've successfully created and executed a basic Selenium test case. As you become more familiar with Selenium, you can explore advanced features and techniques for testing web applications. ChatGPT.